Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're going to help you through the process of finding your PIN number for your Bank of America's debit card. But before we dive into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Before we can change the PIN number on our Bank of America account, you might want to go to the web browser of your choice, head over to bankofamerica.com, and then log in using your credentials. That means you will use your registered email and username and password. And once you are there, you might want to go here to help button here at the uppermost top of the website. All right. Once you are in the help menu, okay, you might want to type in debit card FAQs. All right. So the first results you can see here is this topic where it says how do I change my ATM or debit card pin. Okay, click that and you will be directed to this helpful menu here. So how do you change your ATM or debit card pin or request a new pin? So to change your pin, you should visit the Bank of America ATM and select more options, then change pin. Or you can also change your PIN by scheduling an appointment. All right, you right click on that. Okay, you can schedule an appointment here, anywhere here. So you can read all the information at this interface, so you'd learn more. And if you don't know your PIN, you will need to request a new PIN by scheduling an appointment as well. Or you can simply call the 800-432-1000 Mondays to Fridays, 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. Of course, excluding holidays, and they will mail you a reminder. Okay? And once you've done that, you've successfully changed your PIN. That that's it for today's video, guys. That's a quick tutorial for you. And if ever you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. And I will see you guys in the next video.